In this video, we show you how to train your custom extraction model and guide you through the steps. We start in the workflow overview on our platform and select Train Your Own Model Now. Here you can find all our custom AI features. For our extraction model, we select Create Custom Extraction. We start with describing our workflow by giving it a name and short description. You can also upload an image. This will help you to distinguish this workflow from the others. In our case, we want to create an extraction for bank statements. Now we need to define all the data fields we want to extract from our documents. This is the foundation of our model. The workflow will only extract the fields we create in this step. To do this, we select the appropriate field type and name the data field. For tables and hierarchical data fields such as bank account transactions, you can select one of the advanced types and add the corresponding subfields. You can find more information about the different types of data fields by clicking on the question mark. Once we are done with all data fields, we have to give the AI some information about our documents, so it knows which tasks need to be done. Are the documents always perfectly cropped, or should they be cropped in the workflow? Is the content on the documents in the Latin or Japanese alphabet? Is the text printed or handwritten, or can it be both? The basis of the AI model is now in place. Now we have to train it on our documents. For this, we select Training Data. Here we can upload all of our training documents. You can create multiple templates for your documents. In our case, we create one template for each bank. Once the templates are created, we upload our training documents to them. It's very important to select documents that are very similar to the documents that the model will process later. Our AI needs at least 5 documents per template to be well trained. Now we need to annotate our documents. This means that we have to show the AI where to find each data field in our documents. To do this, select the data field on the left and then click on the appropriate text box in the document. Data fields that belong to one group, such as the account owner, must be grouped by clicking the plus sign. To annotate large tables like the transactions, we start with matching all corresponding text boxes to each of the data fields. That's pretty easy because you can drag and drop to select them. Once they are all assigned, we can start to group them. To create multiple groups, you have to select the plus sign at the bottom. Using drag and drop, we can simply select all the data fields of each row. It's very important that you annotate your documents carefully. This is the foundation of your AI model, and the AI will learn exactly what you teach it in the annotations. When you are done annotating this document, you can save it and move on to the next one. Once all documents are annotated, you can start training your AI. This means the AI now learns how to process your documents. Training is completed within the next 24 hours. However, your Workflow API is already ready and can be integrated. You can find all information such as code snippets and JSON response examples in the Workflow documentation. Once the training is completed, you can test your workflow in the live interface. Therefore, we just upload a document via drag and drop. Here you can check if the AI recognized all of your data fields correctly. For us, everything worked. Great! Now it's your turn. Get started with training your own AI model and get in touch with our AI experts if you need assistance.